Hello, welcome to this lesson in measurement and conversions for Maths Lit Grade 12. What we are going to do is to apply metric units, that is milliliters, millimeters, grams, centimeters, meters, kilograms, and kilometers to answer real life questions. Right? Now that we have made some theoretical applications, for today we are going to apply what we have learned from the previous lesson. Say for an example, your brother has bought 400 grams of chips. He requests you to convert 400 grams of chips to kilograms. Now the first step that we are going to do, we are going to say 1 kilogram is equals to 1,000 grams. That is what we know. That is the basic. Now we are required to determine how many 400 grams will we convert into a kilogram. Now we are going to say kilogram again is equals to 400 grams. In other words, we are going to determine how many kilograms will we have if we've got 400 grams. Now what is going to follow here? We are going to cross multiply this. That is 1,000 grams multiplied by kilogram is equals to 1 kilogram multiplied by 400 grams. Then the next step that we're going to do here, we are going to divide both sides by 1,000 grams. The reason why is because we are expected to determine kilogram. Then it's going to be the 1,000 is divided by the 1,000, we are remained with kilogram. Then this side, we are going to say it's going to be 400 grams divided by 1,000 grams multiplied by 1 kilogram. The answer here is going to be kilogram is equal to, when we divide 400 by 1,000, it's going to be 0 divided by 0 is 0, 0 divided by 0 is 0, 4 divided by 10 is going to be 0.4. In other words, our answer here is that 400 grams is equals to 0.4 kilograms. This is the answer here. Now, this is how you are expected to convert 400 grams into kilograms. Now we go to the second example here, or to the second practical example here. I bought 2.5, let me draw a line here, 2.5 kilograms of brown sugar. That is 2.5 kilograms of brown sugar. You must know 2.5 is the same as 2.5 kilograms. Now I want you to repack the sugar into 250 gram packet. I've got a tech shop, you see. So I want you, I've bought 2.5 kilograms of brown sugar. I'm requesting you as my learner to repack this into 250 grams of brown sugar. What are you going to do? The first step that you must do is this one. What is it that you know? What you know is that 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. Now here, if we are going to repack here, we must first and foremost convert our 2.5 kilograms into grams. Now, what is it that we know here? We know that 2.5 kilograms is how many grams? Now, we must cross multiply. When we cross multiply here, we are going to have 1 kilogram multiplied by grams is equals to 1,000 grams multiplied by 2.5 kilograms. Then what we're going to do also here, since we are expected to convert the kilograms to grams, we are going to divide both sides by 1 kilogram. You see, now it's going to be grams is equals to 1,000 grams multiplied by 2.5 kilograms. We are going to have 2,500 grams. That is how. In other words, 2.5 kilograms is the same as 2,500 grams. Then now, the next step that we are going to do, let me clear up here. Let me erase here. The next step that we are going to do here, we are going to divide our 2,500 grams by 250 grams. You remember, we are expected to repack this. When we are repacking this, we are going to have 2,500 grams divided by 250 grams. You remember, we said we must repack our brown sugar from 2.5 kilograms into 250 grams. Now, when we're going to divide 2,500 grams by 250 grams, we are going to have this divided by this. Then, how many times does 25 goes into 250? It goes 10 times. In other words, when we are going to divide, we are going to have 10 repacked 250 grams. That is how we apply the metric unit that we have learned. What is important is that you must know that 1 kilogram is equals to 1,000 grams. Then when you are going to convert, you must cross multiply up until you find the correct answer. Then please bear in mind here, when you take kilograms to grams, you could see we have clearly multiplied. When you take the grams to kilograms, we have divided because we are reducing. Then on the other side, we are increasing. Now, I'm giving you this exercise. Because the whiteboard is full, I'm requesting you to do this. Convert 500 grams to kilogram. Convert 500 grams to kilogram. That's the first one. The second one, your sister has bought 3 kilograms of maize meal. Your sister has bought 3 kilograms of maize meal. She wants you to convert, to repack the 3 kilograms of maize meal into 300 grams. Your sister has bought 3 kilograms of maize meal. She requests you